Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can make the solution at your home to remove the acne scars from your skin. So guys, I'm going to divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and our last and the third part, it would be related to our complete procedure, where I will let you know how to make it and how to apply on your skin. And guys, now we are going to our first part of the video, where I will let you know about some benefits of the ingredients. Olive oil is considered one of the best oil of the healthy looking skin. When used for scars, the antioxidant in the olive oil, also with the curcumin and turmeric, helps speed up the skin regeneration process to replace the scar's tissue. The fatty acid in the olive oil also keep the skin deeply moisturized for faster recovery. This was first part of the video where I have shared with you the ingredients benefits. So guys, now we are going to our second part of the video where I will share with you the ingredients with the quantity. So guys, for this solution we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed the organic turmeric powder, and number two, we have needed the olive oil. So guys, now we are talking about the quantity of the ingredients. For our first ingredient, turmeric powder, we have needed 1 teaspoon, and for our second ingredient, olive oil, we have needed 1 tablespoon. This was our second part where I have shared with you the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our third part of the video where I will share with you the process. This is two-step method, and the step one is mix the turmeric and the olive oil. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what you have to do for this step one. Number one, put 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder in a bowl. Number two, add 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. Use the unprocessed variety for the maximum benefit. Number 3, mix the two well with a spoon. So guys, that was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and our step 2 is apply the turmeric and the oil blend on your scars daily. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step 2. Number 1, apply an even layer for the paste on your scar. Number 2, leave it on for 15 minutes. Number 3, massage the paste over the scar for 1 or 2 minutes, then rinse it off with the cool water. Number 4, pat your skin dry. This was procedure to make the solution at your home to fade out the acne scars from your skin. So apply on your skin on a daily basis until you will get the acne scars removed from your skin. So that was the video for today. Next time I'll come with some useful other solution. Till that time, take care.